Read in the name of your Lord who created a man out of a tiny creature that planes. Read, it commands the reader, for your Lord is most bountiful. Why is he most bountiful? What great gift did he give you? For he taught man the use of the pen, and through it taught him what he otherwise could not know.
والقريب فرفعت كفي راجيا لا تطردني يا مجيب.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Peace, mercy and blessings of Allah the Almighty be upon you, upon me and upon all of us. My dear viewers, learners and readers, one chart you are seeing now, I am repeating again because this chart like a language hardware, Arabic language hardware. As we have hardware in our devices, electronic devices like computer, mobile, laptops. So language means we are using separate letters and joining these letters to make different meaningful words, and then we are joining these words to say a complete meaningful sentence. This is the pattern. This is the second step, which is very important, very, very important. We cannot ignore. We cannot underestimate. Understand or not? So that's why I am repeating this chart and another chart you will see after this chart. So please accept my advice and follow me and try to make yourself and try to say to your mind what I have said to you. This is our Arabic language hardware. If it is correct, it is perfect, without any problem. We learned, we saved these shapes and the faces of the letter after joining in our mind. So then we can read these words very easily. Again I am reading alif, lam alif, lam alif, ba alif, lam alif, lam, lam alif, lam ha. Upper curve line is lam. Lam alif, red color line is lam. Ba lam ba. Kaf, kaf, kaf ba. Kaf alif, kaf alif. Ba kaf ta, ta kaf sa. Ba, ta, sa, nun, ya, ba alif, nun alif, ta alif, ya alif, sa alif, ba sin, ya sin, nun sin, ta sin, sa sin, sa jim, ta ha, nun kha, ya ha, ba jim, ya mim, ba mim, nun mim, ta mim, sa mim, ba ya, nun ya, ta ya, sa ya, nun ba lam, ta nun lam, ba ya lam, ya ta lam, sa lam, nun ba nun, ba nun nun, ta ya nun, ya ta nun, sa nun, jim, ha, kha, ha sa, kha ba, jim ta, ta ha ta, ya jim ba, ba kha ta, ta. It is called ta marbuta. and when we are removing 2 dots, so it will be called that time ha, simple ha like Hindi and English. Ha, ba ta, ya ha, ta ha alif, noon ta, ha, ya ha ba. Now next we are seeing like 2 eyes inside black color shape. So this is called ha, and in Urdu it is called do chashmi ha, yani a ha having 2 eyes. So it is the sound is same like simple ha up, sound is same, no difference in Arabic. So ha, ya ha ba, ba ha alif, ba ha mim. But what we have to note, shapes of one letter. Ha having 2 eyes, see how it is written more than one time and more than one shape. Dal, zal, jim dal, kha zal, ra, za, jim ra, kha za, ra, za. So we are seeing here 2 types. Ra is 2 types and za is 2 types. Ya ra, ta za, sin, shin, sin lam, shin lam, sad, bod, ta, va, sad ba, ta ba, dad alif, va alif, ain, ghain, hamza, small shape of ain, it is called hamza. Ain za, because dot is above the ra. So if dot is there, so ra will be read za. Ain without dot. Okay. And now here dot is above the ain. So now it is ghain. And ra without dot. So now it is ra. Ghain ra. Sad ain. Dad ghain. We can see here the change shape of ain and ghain a little bit. Ba ain dal, ta ghain zal, gha ghain ra, sad ain, dad ghain, ba ain dal, ta ghain zal, hamza alif, hamza waw, hamza ya, fa, qaf. We should note here face of fa and face of qaf, which are same, difference only by 1 dot and 2 dot. Wow, qaf wow, fa wow, fa qaf lam, qaf fa lam, ya fa. We can see here ya totally changed and it will be written like ba ta sa. Noon. Mim, mim, ha mim, lam mim, ta mim, ta mim ta. Now this is the second clip where the joint shapes are here. Okay, so no need to say extra, but I am showing here to revise again and again. Allah Hafiz, goodbye, have a nice day.